Alright, it's going to be an install on the N-Fab running boards. On a 2022 Jeep Gladiator. I already had the N-Fab on the passenger side, but it started discoloring and rusted, as you can see right there. So I called up the manufacturer and they sent me a brand new one to install. No problems, no hassle. Only difference on this that I'm going to show you is the old bracket that attaches to the car have nuts on them, which you had to put on the bracket prior to installing on the truck. The new one, which I'm going to show you, which is definitely a better idea, is a nice welded bracket on there, so you got no worries of installing the bracket before installing on the truck, what makes the job a lot easier. You can see all three, it's welded, brackets on there. I'll be right back. Alright, I got the side step up. Couldn't put it on camera. Some one person, and it ain't easy, but one person holding it up and trying to catch the bolts underneath. But it's very simple. I'm going to show you the three bolts that you got to catch on the bottom. There's one. Just goes right into the frame. That's on the bracket. That's one bracket. Two. And three is right there. Alright, you just catch them. You don't tighten them. Just hand catch them. After you catch the three on the bottom, there's two on the underside that goes into the rocker right here, and those are going to get caught with a bolt and a nut. As you can see right there, bolt goes through, and the back side you're going to catch it. You're going to catch the nut, and you can see how loose it is right now. I'll show you a better way, because everything is just hand tight right now. You don't want to tighten everything up. You see, it's wiggling. You can see the bolts are not tight. And that's it. You're pretty much, before you tighten them all, you're just going to line them up and you're going to tighten them one at a time. And I'll show you that. Okay. Back to tightening. So the first part you're going to tighten is you're going to tighten the two bolts on the back bracket that attach to the rocker. I like to do that one first so you can line it up where you actually want it. Just want to put it in place. Hand tighten them. If you're doing it one person, you might have to hold it up with your knee just to keep it in place a little bit. You're going to be using a 13mm socket and an adjustable wrench, or an open end, anything you want, box wrench, and you're going to hold it in place and just tighten the bolts down. I like the way they redesigned these with the welded bracket on, so you don't have to waste more time trying to put the bracket onto the step rail. Okay, so that's one set right there. We'll come to the other side here. Yeah, there's the one bolt, and the other bolt is right on the side of this bracket. Just gonna do the same thing that we did over there. Clean it up, adjustable, just to snug it nice. Okay, one. On the other side of the bracket is one more. Snugged. Okay, I'm just switching out here. So after you're done snugging those up, you're gonna go back and just tighten down each one of the three that hold the bracket to the car. And these underneath that hold the bracket are 12 millimeters. That's it, snug them down. Sorry guys, it's cold out here today. That's it, snug. Move down to the third one. And that's it, guys. It's pretty much 3 bolts underneath that hook up into the frame here, and then you have your 1, 2 on the other side of this bracket there, and then you're going to do 2 and 2 more on the other side, and that's it. And that's what you pretty much end up with right there. All done. N-Fab side steps on 2022 Jeep Gladiator.